This is just a quick unboxing of the Olive Pro that I picked up on Indiegogo. It was a campaign for both hearing aids and, essentially earbuds. As you can see, the box is pretty simplistic. It does give a little bit of information. I really think that what they were trying to do is go with an Apple-esque kind of boxing. You pull off the sleeve and open it up, and there's a box inside. Uh, and once you open that up, you're presented with a quick start guide. Not a whole lot of information on there. That's one thing that the product has lacked, is a little bit of information, but put that to the side. And then there's the case for the Olive Pros. And they actually do look pretty decent. The build quality of the case is okay. I wouldn't say it's up to par with a company like Apple and the AirPods Pro, but it's certainly not far behind. And then as you dig into the box, they really wedge this stuff together, and it makes it a little bit aggravating. But the first thing that I'm pulling out here is a micro USB, a USB-C cable. So they did get that right. They didn't use micro USB, they used USB-C. So putting that back in and moving to the next box, which is going to be the only other item in the box, and that is the earbud tips. They do give you quite a variety of these, so that is nice. I was able to find ones that fit my ears, which is good. Not a bad job on their behalf. So there's really not a whole lot in the box. The one thing that I'm going to say is that if you're interested in this, I would really look at the Indiegogo campaign. I will be doing a review of these coming up very soon and give you my thoughts. I don't want to give you too much information at this particular point, but I can tell you that it's not exactly stellar. So any questions, comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.